So let's talk about the role of negative keywords in Google Ads campaigns. I think this is often overlooked by people when they set up a Google Ads campaign. They set it all up, it's jamming, and they're like, hey, sweet, we're getting some conversions, a decent cost per conversion, good return on ad spend, everything's looking pretty, we're all set, you know. But oftentimes there are still a ton of clicks on terms that are just not converting. You know, people are doing a search for a term, clicking on your ads, and not turning it into a customer or a lead. So to filter those out, we typically want to use some negative keywords. So if we click on an ad over here on the left-hand side, it'll probably pop up keywords by default. So it'll look something like this. You'll be able to see all the different clicks and conversions and the cost per click and the cost per conversion, all that different stuff. If you can't see these different columns here, you'll need to customize your columns. Just click on columns here and then you can customize things. But from here, we want to take a look and see if there are any keywords that aren't getting conversions. So to do that, first we would want to take a look at a decent chunk of time. Typically, keyword data, unless you're spending a ton in one campaign or one ad group, in general, it's good to just have a good period of time to look at the data so that we have something statistically significant. Right? If something has 2 clicks, you can't really tell if it's going to convert or not. So I'm seeing one already. There's this mobile car detailing. Actually, that one doesn't look too bad. What about, okay, auto detailing near me. Looks like it's spent $26. Our average cost per conversion is $13. So if this one doesn't get another conversion in the next couple of clicks, we might just decide to turn this one off. And it's exact match, right? But that's sort of the wrong way to look at it, because just because these keywords are getting clicks doesn't necessarily mean that somebody's searching for the term that is in these keywords. So what you really have to do is actually switch over to search terms. When you come over to search terms, then we can take a look at the number of clicks that the ads are getting and take a look and see if there's any of these that aren't getting conversions. So there are a few, like car detailing, Mesa, Arizona. That is like this one, car detailing, Mesa, Arizona, has gotten no conversion. It's spent $12. Maybe we decided we didn't want that keyword. So what we could do is take that keyword and come over here and add it as a negative keyword, which I typically like to do as a negative keyword list. So you can come to Tools and Settings and then go to Negative Keyword Lists. It'll walk you through how to set one up. But essentially, you can apply this negative keyword list to as many campaigns or ad groups as you want. And once you have this list set up, it's easy to change it and change it across multiple campaigns. So it's super helpful to use a negative keyword list. And then you can start putting in stuff like, maybe we're running ads for auto detailing, and we keep getting people that are searching for car wash. And that's not really something that we do. Or they're searching for auto detailing jobs, right? Or how to do auto detailing themselves. Or what is auto detailing, right? These are things that really aren't going to deliver results for us. So all we would do is come in here, click add, and add in our negative keywords. And this can be done as exact match. So exact match is going to be in these brackets, or you can do it as phrase match, which is just going to be in parentheses, or you could do broad match, which is just putting the word in. I wouldn't recommend doing that because that could have all sorts of crazy results. Typically, the way this is going to work, you can see that there's 2 different types here. There's one where we're telling it, don't show our ads anytime the phrase that people put into Google contains car wash or is similar to that, or auto wash. But for whatever reason, it just kept giving us clicks for car wash near me, even though it removed a bunch of them. So the phrase match is going it should remove this term by default, but for whatever reason, Google was still giving us clicks for this keyword. So sometimes you'll have to actually go in and put the exact match of whatever keyword it keeps giving you clicks for and won't stop giving you clicks for whatever reason. If you put that exact keyword in brackets in here, it'll essentially just stop giving you clicks for that keyword. And then when you have your list built out, what that's going to do is limit these search terms down to just terms that are actually providing conversions for you, so that you're not wasting a whole bunch of budget on clicks on terms that just aren't converting. So that's basically how negative keywords function in Google Ads. If there's anything you had questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.